How to log into Amazon A to Z employee account. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to log into your Amazon A to Z employee account. If you're an Amazon worker and need to quick access to your schedule, pay slips, or other important information, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head to the Amazon A to Z login page. You can do this by typing A to Z Amazon login in your search engine, or simply go to a to z dot amazon dot work in the address bar. Once you're on the A to Z portal, you'll be prompted to enter your Amazon username and password. This is the same username and password that you use for other Amazon employee systems, so make sure you have that handy. After entering your credentials, simply click on login, and you may be asked to complete two-factor authentication. This is an extra layer of security to keep your account safe. Check your email or authentication app for the verification code and enter when it prompted. And if you are simply not being able to log in, or if you're having trouble logging in, here are a couple things you can try. First, make sure you're using the correct username and password. If you've forgotten either of them, simply click on a forgot password and simply click the link to reset them. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken to your A to Z employee dashboard. Here you can access your work schedule, pay statements, benefits information, and more.